Porsche 911 has never really needed much help in the styling or performance department. Even straight from the factory, it delivers a driving experience and design package that most sports cars can only dream of. That said, there will always be owners who want something more dramatic, more aggressive, or simply more exclusive. That is exactly the crowd companies like Mansory cater to. During this year's Top Marques Monaco event, the German tuner unveiled another upgrade program for the Porsche 911, this time aimed at the latest 911 Turbo S, 992.2. Mansory refers to it as a soft kit, although there is very little subtle about the transformation once you take a closer look. The package focuses primarily on visual enhancements both inside and out, while leaving the powertrain untouched as standard. Buyers wanting extra performance upgrades can still request them separately, but they are not included in this particular conversion. Everything included in the program is offered as an add-on component. Like most Mansory projects, the extensive use of carbon fiber plays a major role. The lightweight material appears across almost every exterior addition, including the front splitter, side trim pieces, aerodynamic flaps, mirror caps, side skirts, and rear intake surrounds. The rear section also receives a much larger two-piece spoiler and a redesigned diffuser, both finished in carbon fiber. A fresh set of forged FS.5 wheels is also part of the package. The setup measures 21 inches up front and 22 inches at the rear, giving the 911 an even more aggressive stance. Mansory also incorporated carbon fiber detailing into the wheels themselves through decorative rings that can be specified in various colors. Inside the cabin, Mansory has taken a more bespoke approach. Instead of showcasing one fixed interior layout, the company is allowing customers to tailor the design according to their own preferences. Buyers can choose from a wide selection of materials, finishes, and color combinations sourced from the tuner's existing catalog, although specific configurations were not detailed during the reveal. The upgrade package is available for both the coupe and cabriolet versions of the Porsche 911 Turbo S, but Mansory has remained silent on pricing for now.